In this video, I'm going to show you how to trigger SMS notifications when someone fills out a form. It's a super easy and effective way to get instant alerts so you don't miss out on important submissions. Stick around till the end because I'll share a special tool to make this process seamless, and yes, it's free for you to try right now. The first thing you need to do is choose a platform that allows you to trigger SMS notifications. There are a few options out there, but not all of them integrate easily with form builders or offer reliable SMS delivery. After testing several popular options, I found one that stands out, and I'll show you how to use it in just a minute. Let's dive into the setup. The first step is to sign up for the software we'll be using today. This software offers a simple interface that makes triggering SMS notifications a breeze. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can access an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel, so make sure you check that out if you want to follow along with me. Once you're logged into the software, the next step is to connect your form builder. Whether you're using a platform like Typeform, Google Forms, or something else, you'll need to integrate it with the software. The software we're using has built-in integrations, so connecting them is easy. For this example, I'm going to show you how to set it up with a popular form builder. After the integration, you'll need to set up the SMS trigger. This is the part where you decide when the SMS should be sent. You'll want to specify that the trigger happens when a form is successfully submitted. The software lets you set that condition, and it'll automatically send an SMS to your phone number or to any number you choose. Now, let's move to the customization. You'll want to customize the message that's sent. You can make it personal, for example, a new submission just came through, or you've got a new lead. The best part is that you can also include specific details from the form submission, like the name or email of the person who filled it out, so you'll know exactly who reached out to you. Once everything is set up, test your form to ensure that the SMS notification is triggered correctly. You can do a quick test by filling out the form yourself. When you hit submit, you should get an instant SMS notification on your phone. If it works, you're all set. If not, don't worry. Just check the setup again and ensure that everything is correctly connected. To recap, here's what you need to do to trigger SMS notifications when someone fills out a form. First, choose the right software with SMS capabilities, then integrate it with your form builder, set up the trigger to send an SMS upon submission, customize your message, and finally, test it. The key takeaway from this video is that it's incredibly easy to set up SMS notifications when someone fills out your form. This simple tool can save you time and make sure you're instantly notified about important submissions. Before we wrap up, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's the software we use today, and you can start setting up SMS notifications right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.